Welcome to Ace Monday Mastery.
Got a story to tell.
Let me break it down.
I hired in with bright eyes, but this team was disjointed. My project in full effect. This is my appointment. The point man, my moment to show and prove their choice was the best it could be. No matter who the other choice was. Fast forward, they all saw it. I blew it out the water. We got paid. Recall, this team had a disorder. Shade was on the border and moved from the epitome of team synergy. Now they talking about getting rid of me. What, are you kidding me? Maybe it's the kid in me. Mom's daily mystery, trying to configure what would dinner be. Now I'm a grown man, take my homegrown stance. With steel in my back, I could steal out the back. Take a knapsack, some tacks, a scanner and a fax. But if security steal me, I'ma have to steal them back. Alternative facts, pain, I want them to hurt well. I'm an ace and they rather low performing personnel.
Why Monday and why Mastery?
It ain't hard to tell.
By now you know ACE stands for Attitude, Competence, and Evidence. So when we come to our work week on Monday morning, you have to have a plan. You have to know where you want to end. I always say start with the end in mind. So that starts with the right attitude. But you also, in making that plan, have to be able to align the things you have to do with the amount of time that you have throughout the week. That's the competence part. And if you do that effectively, by the end of the week, you'll be able to have the evidence that you have aced your work week.
I could play a role and won't have to audition. Your position's a blip on the radar of my vision. This starts my decision. I wonder why I'm tripping. Is this a firing or firing up of my ignition?
But it all starts on Monday.